is the important factor to be satisfied during performance estimation? A. Temperature. B. Pressure. C. Airworthiness requirement. D. Climate. The correct answer is airworthiness requirement. The performance estimation process is A. Optional. B. Iterative. C. Not required. D. Single attempt. The correct answer is iterative. International Standard Atmosphere ISA is A linearized model of the temperature atmosphere. B. Horizontal model of the temperature atmosphere. C. Linearized model of the pressure atmosphere. D. Horizontal model of the pressure atmosphere. The correct answer is linearized model of the temperature atmosphere. ODM stands for A. Operation Data Manual. B. Operating Data Manual. C. Operation Data Management. D. Operating Digital Manual. The correct answer is Operating Data Manual. Which of the following is applied to performance measurement? A. Design. B. Modification. C. Supplement. D. Validation of performance data. The correct answer is validation of performance data. What is meant by performance measurement? A. Verification of aircraft achievements. B. Design new type of aircraft. C. Modification of existing aircraft type. D. Supplement or extend the full-scale measured performance of an aircraft. The correct answer is verification of aircraft achievements. What stands for A. Weight altitude temperature. B. Weather altitude temperature. C. Weight atmosphere temperature. D. Weather atmosphere temperature. The correct answer is weight altitude temperature. Alternative models of ISA are design atmospheres. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. Operating Data Manual ODM contains the information on the performance of the aircraft needed by the operator for flight planning. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. Performance is the initial design phase. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true.